going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now, I just came on here really quick to show you my bleaching process. Excuse the lights. I am filming in my bedroom and I do not have my studio lights in here, okay? So I will be bleaching my hair. The last time I bleached it was in April and I got it professionally done. I'm not paying $100 and something this time, so I am going to do it myself again. This time I don't fuck it up. But let me show you guys what I'm going to use, and then I'm going to do the bleaching process and do a talk through, okay? So the bleach I'm going to use is the Quick Glue Bleach. And I got this from my local beauty supply store, but you can also find it in Sally's. I am using a 30 volume developer, and this is from L'Oreal. This is the Quick Glue's L'Oreal as well. So I got this from Sally's. I have some gloves. You're gonna need some gloves. I have coconut oil. I use coconut oil to actually to base my scalp actually, so it does not burn. So this is what I'm going to use. I have my mixing bowl, I have my brush, I have some shower cap, and I also use the Absolute Perfection Booster. This is the Ion Booster. This is the dupe for the Olaplex, so this helps with preventing damage when you bleach your hair. So I use this the majority of the time. It helps, it aids. It's not a remedy, but it helps. So I use it. And this is the Absolute Perfection Color Sealer, step 2. This is what I use after I bleach my hair, okay? I'm gonna take some of the coconut oil. I should have melted this down, but. And I'm going to put it on my hair. I do not want to burn whatsoever. I do not want to burn. Alright, so I have everything mixed up. A little bit of the red blue corrector just to correct the colors so I don't get a lot of brassiness, or I do have red undertones, so I used a little bit of this. I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair out. I'm gonna start around my perimeter before I put it up here, because up here got the top has the most bleach. So I'm just gonna focus on my back and my sides, and then I'm gonna move up top. Alright guys, like I said, I am going to start with the sides of my hair because the sides are actually darker. So I'm doing that, and then I'm going to wait about 5 minutes and go on to the top of my hair. I really don't want to over bleach the blonde parts, so I am just going to take my time and wait for a few minutes to do that. And you're gonna try to get all the parts of your hair. Make sure your hair is fully saturated with bleach, and then after about 10 minutes I will go over my hair again to make sure that any bubbles or anything that pop up, make sure that those are actually covered. Alright y'all, so this is the first color of my hair. It's yellow, but it's not really yellow. It is really brassy, but I am going to put another application of bleach on it to kind of get rid of a lot of this brassiness. And you see right here where I have my part, it's still really brown. So I'm going to do one more. I'm probably going to do that for like 20 minutes, and then I'll come right back. All right, y'all, so my hair is still yellow, but it's not that bad. It's actually not as bad as it was before. I still got some yellow in it, but we are going to go ahead and tone it, and I am using my Welletti 18 toner. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and apply this. This is the Absolute Perfection Color Sealer. This is step 2. You're supposed to put this on before you shampoo. So I haven't used my shimmering lights yet, and I have not neutralized yet. So I'm going to do this, wear this for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to shampoo. Alright, so I went over my hair a second time, and now I am going to apply the after color treatment from Ion, and I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse that out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Shimmering Light shampoo, and this is the Sally's dupe, so you can actually purchase this from Sally's. And I'm going to I use that shampoo to remove any brassiness, and it actually helps with toning. I do run some water on the shampoo first before I put it in my hair because I don't want it to stain. So after I've done that, I went ahead and mixed my bleach, and I used two parts developer, 1 part toner, and I go ahead and mix that up. Once I rinse out my hair, I apply my toner. Now with toner, you have to work really fast. The toner does turn purple because, like I said, it is toning the hair, so it does turn a purple hue. You have to work fast. The toner does burn. It does burn. I heard that you can put some sweet and low into the toner, and that helps to reduce the burning. I went ahead also and used my coconut oil before I went ahead and applied the toner. I let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And I used, once I rinsed it out, I went ahead and applied my Olaplex number 3 treatment, and that is to help with any type of damage, breakage, anything like that. After I rinsed out the Olaplex, I went ahead and actually neutralized my hair. I used my neutralizing shampoo from Isoplus. So neutralize it. I used my purple shampoo, and then I went ahead and applied my Cream of Nature mask. Let that sit for a little while. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love it so much. The blonde is definitely the platinum that I was looking for. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.